Hi, thanks for stopping by Look Younger with Debbie. I really appreciate it. I'm in my 60s. I'm an esthetician and massage therapist. And today I'm going to add to the video that I did before. And these are just some little extra cupping secrets that you can use at home. And so I will link my other video below so that you can get a bigger picture of what this is. And these are just some little tips, and they're mostly about your eyes and your lips. And so with cupping, it's good for circulation, it's lymphatic drainage, you can do a little bit of lifting, builds collagen. But specifically, I'm going to talk about the smaller cup, which I didn't before, and in my last video. And so the first thing you're going to do is cleanse your skin, and then you need a good massage oil or cream. And so what I have is a Gold Youth Serum. And it's very light and it's very close to your own natural sebum, and it's going to feed your skin, and yet it's going to be absorbable. This is considered a dry oil, and I call it Gold Youth Serum, and I will link this as well. So we're going to start with putting a little bit of this oil on your face, and I'm just going to put it around my eye area for now, and the lines here and the lines here. So just kind of around the lines for this particular thing. So if you're doing, of course, the whole cupping, you would put it on your whole face, and you could do my other video, and then this is just kind of supplementary. So a couple of little secrets that I didn't have before. So we're going to take the small cup. We're going to have two sizes. We have the medium facial cup and then the small facial cup. So I'm going to start with the small facial cup, and I'm just going to talk about around the lines around your lips and eyes and your forehead. And I learned these, the cupping from a very beautiful Korean, very young looking woman. And she taught me both body cupping, because I'm a massage therapist, and it was good for circulation and for healing and for pain. And so she taught me that, and then she also taught me the facial cupping. And so we're going to do the little, the small one here. And she said it was particularly good for crow's feet. And so I know a lot of us have that, and you can actually get crow's feet pretty young. So what we start with is we're going to just squeeze the cup and then pop. You'll hear a little bit of a popping sound. So we're going to pop all around the eye, and that's going to help with collagen and rejuvenation, stimulation of around the eye area. And I'm just going to do the right side just for time's sake, and then you can do it on the other side. So I'm just going to continue doing this popping, especially pay attention to where you know you have these lines here. And then we're going to hold the cup so that you're squeezing it and it's suctioning your eye lightly. And then you're just going to take it around to the inside of your eye. We're just do a couple of those. You can get very close to your eye, and this is going to help with the under eye area. So suction it and then move from the outside in. And you can also do that above your eye too, and suction that out. Now I also like to use this on other areas that I have lines. I have the 11 that so many of us probably do. And so I just like to suction over those lines, and then you're going to smooth it. So it's going to hold and stay adhered to your skin, and then you're just going to pull it. So that, and you can hear at the end where it kind of pops. So I'm going to do my lines here, and then you can also do the the nasolabial lines here, and you're just going to pop right over that line and then smooth it down. Pop over, get right into that line and smooth it down. And then the other place would be, a lot of us have the little lip lines here, and you can do the same like you did up here with these lines. And you're just going to pop this whole area. I like to do one side at a time and then smooth it. You're popping it and then squeezing the cup, and then just let it go over your skin. And then the last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take the larger cup again, and I'm doing this last because it's probably going to really mess up my lipstick. but you can get a little bit of a lip plumping with it. So what I do is I squeeze it and then I put it on my lips. And then you're gonna kind of pull it off, and you can do that several times, and you will see that your lip will get a little bit bigger, especially the upper lip. And don't overdo it. You could get a little bit of bruising up here. I haven't using this, but I know that some people have. So just kind of go light and do it several times, and you can plump up those lips, and then when you put your lipstick on, it'll look nice and plump and young looking. So I hope you enjoyed this, and I will put the link to the oil, the Gold Youth Serum, and the cupping, and also a link to my previous video that is much longer than this, that shows you the whole procedure. So I will talk to you later, and please leave me a link and like and share this video, and I would love to hear from you. Thanks a lot. Talk to you later. Bye.